Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Card, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Card, first, ensure you have an active Amazon Prime membership. Next, visit the Amazon website or open the Amazon app on your smartphone. Navigate to the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Card section. If you don't have the card yet, click on Apply Now to begin the application process. Fill out the required information, including your personal details and financial information. Once your application is approved, you will receive your card in the mail. Activate your card by following the instructions included with it or through your Amazon account. Now, you can start using your Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Card for purchases. Make sure to link your card to your Amazon account for seamless checkout. Every time you shop on Amazon, you will earn 5% back on eligible purchases. For purchases made outside of Amazon, you earn 2% back at restaurants, gas stations, and drug. Additionally, you will earn 1% back on all other purchases. Track your rewards by logging into your Amazon account and checking the rewards section. You can redeem your points towards future Amazon purchases, making it easy to save. When checking out, choose to apply your rewards balance to reduce your total. Always pay your bill on time to avoid interest charges and maximize your rewards. Review any special promotions or bonus offers that may enhance your earnings. By using your Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Card wisely, you can maximize your benefits and rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.